Follow this routine for the next 21 days and your life will never be the same. This is the exact morning routine that my community and I follow, and we have created some amazing results. So do not forget to share yours in the comments with me. Now, if you're someone who wakes up cranky, already anxious, angry, or don't know what to do with your day, constantly confused, feeling all over the place, then this video is a must watch for you because this morning routine sets your mind in a place, in a state of high frequency that will help you achieve and manage your day in a productive way and do all the things that you're wanting to do with it. Also, better to tackle your relationships, whether personal or professional, and it will literally change your personality, lifestyle, habits, and feelings altogether. So, if you're intrigued by this, do watch the video till the end and share in the comments what did you feel. Hi, I'm Aishi Jain. I'm a personal development coach and a certified Ho'oponopono and EFT healer. And this video have the potential to transform your life completely. So take this a little bit seriously. और अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कर दो यार। अगले 3 मिनट में मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि मेरी कम्युनिटी और मैं कौन सा मॉर्निंग रूटीन फॉलो करते हैं डेली अपने माइंडसेट को ट्यून करने के लिए टुवर्ड्स हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी और मिरेकुलस मैनिफेस्टेशंस क्रिएट करने के लिए एट द सेम टाइम releasing all the anxiety, fear, frustration, or जो भी negative emotions which are stuck in our body or mind. So let's get started with this and do follow this for at least 7 days to see visible results and share them in the comments. So let's begin with a routine. सबसे पहले, the second I have woken up, I start with gratitude. 10 random gratitude for anything that is in front of me. It can be the microphone, webcam, my laptop, my mobile, my cupboard, my cosmetics, my bed, my pillow, my house, my room, the privacy I have, the skills I have, my appearance, my hair, my skin, my arms, my height, my parents, and then I go towards the deeper thing. So I know these are already more than 10. इस तरीके से जब आप start करोगे, you will start being grateful for even the smallest things in your life. और ये continue करता है आपके पूरे दिन में. तो जब आपका पहला thought ही gratitude है, when you wake in the morning, you will see कि आप पूरे दिन different vibration में होते हो. Because if you've seen my previous videos and you know कि एक spectrum of emotions होता है, and gratitude is pretty high on that. This is the first thing that I do. After this, I do 108 chants of Ho'oponopono prayer, which is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now for that, I either use the 108 beads mala or my YouTube video that I've already made in a playlist for different things, money, career, relationships, skin, PCOD, and a lot of other things. So you can refer to that playlist to chant along with me these 108 chants of Ho'oponopono. Now, I am a Gemini. I am a very person who likes to explore. So I don't follow a monotonous routine for anything, whether it is meditation or workout. So from here, I start making tweaks here and there. But the common thing that goes around is like this. I start with the LNB, left nostril breathing, that I've also recommended for other videos of public speaking because it helps with that as well. And then I do hum chanting, both for 1 or 2 minutes each. So left nostril breathing, hum chanting. Now you're completely in a calm state. So after this, I read my affirmations, write my goals, and then I do advanced Ho'oponopono and EFT tapping for anything that I feel कि आज ये needed है. Whatever negative emotions I'm feeling at that point of time, if any are left, or any doubts or मेरे separate targets होते हैं, which are the advanced techniques that you will get to learn when you are in the community. So I do that. Advanced Ho'oponopono and EFT. Sometimes in combination, sometimes separately. Like I told you, I'm not a monotonous person. So if you have not seen my previous videos and you do not know what EFT is, refer to those videos. And if you want to know what are the tapping points that we use, type EFT in the comments and I'll send you a document जिसमें आपको EFT के बारे में पूरी जानकारी मिल जाएगी, including the tapping points that I use. अगर आप सीखना चाहते हो कि advanced Ho'oponopono क्या है, कैसे करते हैं और किन किन चीजों पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, I do this free masterclass very often, जिसका details आपको description में मिल जाएगा. So click on the link and enroll for it. It's completely free. Advanced Ho'oponopono के साथ आप और भी बहुत सारी neuroscientific और psychological hacks और techniques सीखोगे in this very short span of 90 minutes or less. So I highly recommend कि अगर आप एक beginner हो do enroll for that so you will learn it completely. After doing this, which does not take a lot of time, explanation may maybe laga hoga, but it is really fast to do when you have made a habit of. After this, I go towards my pranayam and workout again, which is another routine. And उसके साथ भी मैं बहुत experiment करती हूँ. Sometimes I just do सूर्य नमस्कार and flexibility exercises. Sometimes I go out for running. Sometimes I practice my karate rituals and so many more things. So if you're curious to know and want a routine for workout as well, tell me in the comments and I'll make it for you. So in a nutshell, this is the routine that my community and I follow to set our mind to achieve all our goals that we have set for the day. Try this for next 7 days and regularly for 21 days and you will see miraculous change in your personality, in your lifestyle, in your focus and a lot of other things. तो आपने क्या क्या अचीव किया इस रूटीन को फॉलो करके? Don't forget to tell me in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification for amazing content on personal development, Ho'oponopono and EFT healing, effective communication and a lot. Do not forget to check out my podcast as well, Convo with Aish, क्योंकि वहां से भी आपको बहुत सारे hacks, tricks मिल जाएंगे from specific sports of their own niche. So a video for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Let's evolve together. Love, love.